each and every one of you. Welcome back to my channel. It's another day that we are still out and about. Today is a wonderful Friday day, and I tell you, it is hot. The car is saying it's 86 degrees Fahrenheit, and I have 59 miles to go before I put in gas. So I'm here close to a place that I can put gas in, and that's why I am on the line waiting for my chance to put gas in a car so that we can proceed with all the things that we have to do today. Today actually I have not worked at all. From the time I got up, I have been up and down. Oops, excuse me if you see the gum.
Here, we do not have a privilege of having somebody putting gas for you unless you're married and your husband is so sweet and lovely to get out and put gas for you. I don't have that. My privilege is getting up and do everything I can do before that time comes in, and I enjoy it. It's really good. I get to learn on my own, but hey, we're here and we are putting gas in a car, and let's see how much this car takes in because it's thirsty. I am now at a spa, and this is a one roof for everything. It has pedicure, nail cure, whatever those things that you call them. And a girl today feels like just spoiling herself. Although I'm second guessing myself with the nails, I like my nails natural with no paint, so I rather just stay away from it and just have my eyes done because that is what I really need. That is the first thing I need when I come here. And I just keep my natural hair my natural nails as they are. So I'm in Kettles and I see this beautiful colors combination. Oh my gosh, the picture is not doing the justice, but it's a huge, great, beautiful combination. But the thing is, they are big, and kettles never carry extra small sizes. And I feel like an extra small would look better on me. So this one, it's a no-no, and I'll just keep going. So we're in a car wash. My car needs some love, and that's what I'm giving it. It needs some good love and a little good touch from somebody, and so that we can be shiny and clean and smell good. Have you guys liked and subscribed, and also turn the bell on so you're not missing out anything from me? We are back in the house, and today we are going to cook chapati and some stew. So that's what I'm prepping right now. I always put egg on my chapati. I mean, it's optional. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I do not. And today I just feel like just putting an egg on it. So I'm just kneading the dough, making it soft, and then leave it to sit for a minute while I do what I prep for the stew. But this dough here will just be sitting for maybe 30 minutes to at most 30 minutes. And so the mixing of the components that I'm using is just the flour, as you see, the sugar, the egg, and just the water. I'm not putting so much like most people would do. It's just a basic chapati because I am just in that mood of just a basic chapati. I no longer like wheat flour chapati. I just rather stay with the white chapati because why not? It's yummy. So this is the time we are prepping the stew, and I am thinking of just some potatoes and also beans. But the onions are ready now, so it's time to just put the tomatoes. Of course, tomatoes to me is optional. Not all food I put tomatoes. I actually question myself, what do tomatoes put in food? Because I never feel the taste of them. I don't. But I don't know. I'd rather just eat it as a fruit, which I do all the time. But because I grew up seeing people putting tomatoes on food, like before it's fully cooked, like you cook tomatoes, I guess I'm stuck with that. But it's not all the time. I chop in the potatoes and I have the carrots, right? I chop them in small pieces, and I just want to combine them together so that they're not fully cooked. I like them chewy. I like chewy food a whole lot than too soft or overcooked. I feel like it's not good, and my kids as well. They like something like they chew. In that way, you feel like you're eating food. I hope I'm not confusing anyone here, but let me know in the comment, how do you like your food? Do you like it fully cooked or just a chewy food? Oh, I also added some yellow pepper and these beans as well. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn the notification bell on so you're not missing out anything from my end. We are still cooking this stew. I don't want it to have too much soup because the chapatis I'm cooking, it's only 8 pieces, and 8 pieces in my house is just a one day. So I'd rather cook a little bit of stew, and I added some ginger. I always add ginger towards the end. Like the food is almost getting done. In that way, it is good. It has just that a good aroma. Anyways, I was saying I'm cooking much more of this stew because this is going to be a stew that I'm going to use again to eat rice in 2 days or in a day after. And the chapatis here are looking good, almost done, and I am super excited. What a beautiful meal that we have. Oh my gosh, look at that chapati. Let me tell you, if there's something honestly I do not know how to cook but I still cook, it's chapati.